Hey, it's Newman. I've built a real estate team that consistently ranks in the top 1% of teams nationwide. And since then, I've scaled entire brokerages, led regions, and helped agents grow way beyond what they thought was possible. Now I'm hosting a free workshop called From Solo to CEO, How to Build a Real Estate Team That Scales. If you're a solo agent feeling maxed out, overwhelmed, or unsure how to grow, this workshop's for you. I'm breaking down the 5 foundational steps to building a real estate team that actually works. How to hire the right people in the right order. What to delegate and what to protect. How to set up systems that scale without you. How to lead with vision and not chaos. And the real math behind when you're ready to grow. You don't have to figure this out alone. I've done it. I've coached others through it. And I'll show you exactly how. Click the link, register now, and let's build your business with intention. It's time to stop doing it all and start leading like a CEO.